Honor launched its highly anticipated Magic 7 series in China. This new lineup features enhanced AI capabilities and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, making it a significant upgrade. It brings a new flagship platform, a more eye-care AI natural light Oasis eye protection screen, a larger battery and faster charging, and also maintains a high level of image configuration, but also allows its hardware advantages and AI capabilities to be deeply integrated, which can be said to be a huge progress in the comprehensive experience. The Magic 7 Pro also offer up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage, UFS 4.0. Powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a second-gen 3nm process. This powerful processor features an octa-core architecture with 2 prime cores clocked at 4.32 GHz and 6 performance cores at 3.53 GHz. It is paired with the Adreno 830 GPU, which provides a 40% boost in gaming performance. These devices also feature Honor's ultra-wide liquid cooling system that ensures efficient heat dissipation during heavy gaming or multitasking, with the temperature staying below 44.8 in heavy games like Genshin Impact. The Magic 7 Pro series runs on Magic OS 9.0, based on Android 15. This OS brings enhanced AI capabilities, including the Yo-Yo Smart Assistant, which allows users to perform tasks such as managing app notifications and subscriptions with a single voice command. The interface is designed for a seamless user experience, with improved privacy features like AI face swap detection for secure video calls. The Magic 7 Pro comes with a 6.8-inch quad-curved OLED display. Support a 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, ensuring fluid visuals and a peak HDR brightness of 5000 nits, making it one of the brightest displays on a smartphone. The screen includes Honor's AI Oasis eye care technology, with round polarized light protection that reduces harmful blue light exposure and improves routine absorption. It has achieved 2V Rhineland certifications for flicker-free viewing and eye comfort. The Magic 7 Pro takes it up a notch with an upgraded 50-megapixel main camera featuring a variable aperture, f1.4, f2.0, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, supporting 100x digital zoom and OIS. The front cameras of the Honor Magic 7 Pro 50-megapixel selfie camera, while the Magic 7 Pro features an additional TOF depth sensing camera for enhanced 3D facial recognition and portrait effects, AI-powered photography, offering features like AI Eagle Eye Burst, Super Portrait Mode, and AI-powered image enhancements for better photo quality in all conditions. The Magic 7 Pro boasts a 5-850 mAh capacity, support 100-watt wired fast charging, and 80 watts wireless charging, ensuring rapid power restoration. Honor's third-generation Qinghai Lake battery technology, paired with the E2 chip, enhances battery health and extends lifespan. Magic 7 Pro have IP68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance, making them suitable for various environments. They support 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and DTS Ultra technology for improved audio performance. The Magic 7 Pro offers Tiantong satellite communication, ensuring connectivity without network signals.